Well, guys, I did something that I haven't done in over a year and a half. I took our first day trade. Now, we're going to be talking about why I did this, my thought process behind it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. And if you guys are watching and you're like, who is this random guy talking about stocks on YouTube? My name is Carter. I am a full-time trader in the stock market. I specialize in swing trading, which is buying a stock, holding it for several days, and selling it. Now, today, like I said, we did a day trade because I saw a massive opportunity and I wanted to take action. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. But more importantly, we actually teach you how to trade. I don't believe in getting rich quick. I don't believe in alerts or anything like that. I believe in teaching proper strategies. So check it out down below. You guys can use code Halloween to get 50% off. Only valid for one spot per day. So check it out down below. Sign up. I'll see you guys in there. And guys, let's jump into this here. So first of all, the broker I am using for all these trades here is Moo. They're absolutely fantastic. They offer great charting, paper trading, but more importantly, it's a trading broker. So the indicators are really, really good. So check them out down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stocks because they're awesome. But more importantly here, guys, looking at this here, one of the things that caught my eye was AMD here was actually on my watch list. It was on my watch list for a possible swing trade. One of the reasons why we wanted to day trade this rather than swing trade it is because today after hours, AMD is releasing an earnings report. Holding through an earnings is incredibly risky. And look at this right here. You guys can see where the stock released earnings. Let's go ahead and released earnings right here, right? Popped up and then immediately sold off. So it's a very risky time to hold a position, right? And if we continue to go back, earnings, right? Look at here. Stock went from 156 to 146, massive amount of sell-off, right? So earnings historically is a very risky time to hold a position. So another thing that I looked at here was this really, really good hourly chart here. The hourly chart looked really, really nice. So what we did here is we wanted to get in on that trend line. We wanted to get in on that trend line with setting a very, very tight stop loss for this day trade. So let's actually go ahead and look at a lower time frame because, you know, as a swing trader, you really focus on those daily charts, maybe the hourly for a good entry. But as a day trader, you have to kind of alter your approach. You have to kind of go to lower time frames. So you'll look at the 5-minute. So looking at the 5-minute chart, you guys will see that this thing sold off a huge amount, right? It sold off all the way down to 159, which at the time that was trading for about a 22 on the RSI, which the last time it was trading for a 22 was back in here where we had a great move. Previous to that was in here where we had this good move. I wasn't looking for a massive return, of 5, 6, 7% because realistically, I knew that wasn't going to happen. But what I did have a good understanding of is if this thing can move $2, $3, I have a little bit of a larger account where I can really capitalize off that move. And that's exactly what has been happening, and now with the stock squeezing up here, the stop loss we have in place is just watching this and continuing to let it ride. So the stop loss as of right now is going to be near around that 152.32 range, and we're just going to let it pan out. That's all we're going to do. If it creeps up, so after this candlestick, what we're going to do is if it closes up here, we'll move our stop loss up a little bit. We're definitely doing a trailing stop because you got to seek out these plays and you'll never be able to buy at the peak bottom and sell at the peak top. But what you can do is implement a good risk management system to get in on those trades and make good profits. So guys, obviously the other positions that we are holding today is TXN. TXN was a swing trade play that's been working out very, very nice here on this trend line. As you guys can see, it's popped up, looking strong, got in on that breakout. It's been rallying its way up ever since. Now, we also got in on MMM. We got in on that breakout here, kind of keeping our stop loss in between the 126 to 127 range, or if it does dip down, we'll just take our profit, move on to other opportunity. Luckily, it is using that 90-day moving average line as support, so the next resistance is going to be up here at 131, so we're just going to continue to hold that for a possible breakout. So guys, obviously today's been working out very, very, very well for us. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget code Halloween for 50% off, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.